Thanks for the WLF. It's my third time speaking in one of these events, and I'm pleased to be here. I start off with a little confession. Like all best laid plans, I planned to do a long speech with slideshows and whatnot, but I was dragged into court for a new matter, which I'm going to speak about in a moment, a couple of weeks ago. So I've been headlong into that. And I arrived late last night, and instead of having a quiet early night, I decided to watch the Man United match and have a couple of beers. So with my confession over, I'm going to dig into a case that we were my firm instructed upon a couple of weeks ago. It's a convoluted claim, and I'll give a brief background. I'll keep it mercifully short, given everyone's probably waiting for their lunch, and I want to keep anyone in front before their lunch. So the background is we're acting for the wife and the daughter of an insurance director for a Liechtenstein law firm, and it's a live case. So I'm going to keep this as Las Vegas rules. So what's in here? What I say here is in between here and obviously. So we're acting for the wife and the daughter. The director is alleged to have stolen around about 40 to 60 million pounds worth of assets, misappropriated 40 to 60 million pounds worth of assets. The case was issued in 2022. There's been numerous freezing orders against the director. The claim is brought by the administrators of the Liechtenstein firm. And during the first return date of the freezing order, where the property in the UK was frozen.
Ed, could you tell them what a freezing order is?
Yes, a freezing order effectively, well, there's two types of freezing order. One, if you've got a claim, a good arguable case for a claim, and you suspect a defendant's going to dissipate the assets. So if you think they're going to dissipate the asset, and there's good evidence they're going to dissipate assets before you can enforce a judgment against them, you can go to an interlocutory application to try and freeze the assets or get a proprietary injunction against certain assets such as properties, etc. So it's quite a draconian order from the court just to sort of freeze and to police those assets, so they can only spend a certain amount of money each month on legal costs and living expenses.